Everyone thinks the best-selling soccer nets and goal target sheets are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Mr. Soccer Goal Target Sheet. First up is the Mr. Soccer Goal Target Sheet. This professional shooting practice aid caught my attention with its solid construction and the promise of improving your accuracy on the field. Priced at $151.78, it positions itself as a premium option. If you want to elevate your shooting practice, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Mr. Soccer Goal Target Sheet is designed to fit standard goals, giving you a reliable target to aim at. It features multiple scoring zones, which can help hone your accuracy during practice sessions. The professional-grade material means it can withstand the wear and tear of regular use, something that's crucial if you're serious about your training. So if you're looking to see measurable improvements in your game, this could be a key piece of equipment. Now, some people complained about its high price point, saying it's a bit steep for a target sheet. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about soccer and want an effective practice tool, the investment could pay off in improved performance. It's a splurge, but if you're dedicated, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a competitive player or someone who wants to take your skills to the next level. Skip this one if you're just casually kicking the ball around in the backyard. For the serious athlete, the value here is pretty solid. Now, if the price of the Mr. Soccer Goal Target Sheet has you second-guessing, this next option might be more budget-friendly while still delivering on performance. Product number 2, FORZA Pro Soccer Target Sheets. Next up, we have the FORZA Pro Soccer Target Sheets. What caught my attention here is the variety it offers. With 4 different styles and 10 size options, it seems to cater to every level of player. While the price isn't listed, the FORZA brand is known for quality, which usually reflects in their pricing. If you're looking for options tailored to your specific training needs, this one's definitely worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These target sheets help you improve your shooting accuracy by providing clear scoring zones. You can choose a size that fits your goal, which is a huge plus if you've got a specific training setup. The lightweight design means you can easily set it up and take it down, making it convenient for those who move around to different fields. However, some reviews mention that the fabric can tear after prolonged use. Here's the thing, if you're practicing regularly, you might need to replace it more often than others. But if you're using it for focused training sessions, it should still last a decent while, making it a smart choice for dedicated players. This is perfect for you if you're a club player who wants to enhance your precision. Skip this one if you're looking for a one-time use or casual practice. The flexibility in options offers great value for your training goals. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something portable and easy to set up. Product number 3, Soccer Goal Target Net. Now let's talk about the Soccer Goal Target Net. This one measures 24 ft x 8 ft, making it ideal for serious practice sessions. It includes a carry bag, ground stakes, and a bungee cord, which is super convenient. Since the price isn't listed, it's a bit of a mystery, but typically this kind of setup is pretty accessible. If you're looking for something portable and multifunctional, this one's got your name on it. Why does this matter for you? The size of this target net means it can accommodate various shooting drills, and its portability is perfect for practicing at different locations, whether that's your backyard or a local park. The included bungee cords and stakes help keep it in place, so you can focus on your kicks without worrying about it blowing away. Plus, for players who want to work on their accuracy, it's a great way to train. On the downside, some users reported that the setup can be a bit tricky at first, especially if you're not familiar with target nets. But once you get the hang of it, it's a fantastic practice tool that really enhances your game. This is perfect for you if you need something you can easily transport and set up at different locations. Skip this one if you're only practicing at home and don't need something portable. The value for what you get here is quite good, especially for training on the go. Now, if portability and ease of use are what you're after, the next product is a great option with a slightly different approach. Product number 4, FORZA Pod Goal Target Sheet. Lastly, we have the FORZA Pod Goal Target Sheet. This one offers 3 different sizes, which is great for tailoring your training sessions. Though the price isn't available, FORZA products are generally well regarded, so you can expect good quality. If you're looking for a customizable practice aid, this is worth considering. Why is this important? The ability to choose from different sizes means you can adapt your training to your specific needs, whether you're practicing on a full-sized field or a smaller one. The target sheet helps you focus on your accuracy, giving you clear zones to aim for, which can significantly improve your shooting skills over time. However, some users found that the material isn't as durable as they hoped. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or looking for something for casual practice, it's not a deal breaker. It's still a solid option for practicing your shots and developing your skills. This is perfect for you if you're new to soccer or just want a simple way to practice your accuracy. Skip this one if you need something that can withstand heavy-duty use. For the price point, it offers good value for improving your game without breaking the bank. So there you have it, 4 solid options for soccer nets and goal target sheets. The Mr. Soccer Goal Target Sheet is premium and focused on serious training, while the FORZA Pro Soccer Target Sheets give you plenty of variety. The Soccer Goal Target Net is perfect for portability, and the FORZA Pod Goal Target Sheet offers customizable sizes. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, but all can help you improve your game significantly. Choose the one that fits your needs best, and happy practicing.